Creating product photos with AI can be a powerful way to produce high-quality images without needing a physical photo shoot. Where are the general steps you can follow to create product photos using AI tools? So first of all, all you have to do is dive into FlairAI, and we have here our first information. But before, let's know how you can use FlairAI as a platform for creating branded content. You can follow these steps. First of all, is sign up or log in, then create project, then upload brand assets, then design with EA. The fifth step is review and edit. The sixth step is download and use. The seventh step is additional features, and the last step is support and resources. So what is Flare.ea? Flare.ea is an EA powered platform focused on streamlining and enhancing creative processes, particularly in the realm of visual content creation. It leverages advanced artificial intelligence to assist users in generating, editing, and refining images, making it a available tool for designers, marketers, and businesses. So before starting, let's click over pricing to know. Here we have use Flare for free with your whole team, upgrade to enable unlimited issues, enhancing security controls and additional features. So you can just start for free. We have here up to 10 images per month, up to 5 projects also. And to get started here, click over here, and you have also here colors, lessons, login also, and we have also a lessons. We have some questions here and cards also. You can just read it to more understand pricing. Then the homepage, we have other information about the EA design tool for product photo shoots, drag and drop to generate stunning product shoots in seconds. Then we have also make standout content with stunning templates. You can just select the niche you want, still life, furniture, food, and we have your stage sense digital with drag and drop props, bring it to life with EA, mix and match product with templates. Then we have Ball Slick, shoots faster than ever. You can just read it to more understand. We have here new feature, fashion photos, feature clothes, enter, enter an AI generated models, create high quality model and imagery at scale. Then we have here iterate, collaborate also, and we have here remove background, magic erase, upscale image, replace product, make variations also. And if you scroll down, we have also scale your design with APA, leverage our API to create unique designs for your customers. All you have to do is just get started and sell the product. Then we have design with Flare. So we click over get started here. You can use Google, also you can use email, and this is the homepage. You have explore workplace, create new project, create fashion projects. Have here some niches like beauty, fashion, food, furniture, CPG, staging, accessories, home goods, and you have your universal fashion projects, and you can add it over 3, 4, 5. That's it. So to build your project, all you have to do is click over create fashion project here, and this is how it looks. Sorry, you have upgrade subscription to gain more real time quota. So first of all, you have to upload product photo. This is the first step, or you can just select here one here, and the second step is generate a fluffy white chair with front art and chair and wood table, trees and flowers in front of a natural beige background on circular platforms. So you click over generate here. Then we have also here we select view of the prompt builder. We have here edit the prompt in the form below with name of product like barrel, wine barrel. So let's choose one, and here we have surrounded placement, surrounded background, custom. You have it on and background. You have in front of, against, with. Then you have placement here and emerging from, right and balancing and line and you write character here. Then we have number of results here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we have reference images here, correct color, you can just switch on or switch off. render strength also, you can just select default, strong, weak, extra weak, or extra strong. Then color strength, we have strong, default, weak, no one also, and extra strong. Then we have your default. In outline strength, we have extra strong, strong, default, weak, extra weak, and no one. Then the third one is upload custom prompt. So you can just search here, or you can upload your own. Then we have the fourth one is humans. So humans, here you can just search by keywords platform flower or etc. So here you have to drag and drop hands and humans. So you can select casual models, model models also, hands holding smaller products, and also hands here, as you can see. Then the last step is edit. So edit image tools, here you have remove background, magic erase, upscale creative. You can just click over the one you want and you modify. Then we have image variation, color, no one here. Let's select full color tint also, and price here, color here, and here select one or zero here, the suffix also. Then you select PNG or JPG, and finally delete your image. Then here you can delete all of that and you modify what you want. So to upload product photo here and upload also here custom prompt. So for all I have to do is dive into canva.com. So this is the homepage. It's free to sign up and it's easily. So this is my account. We can cover custom size and we can cover presentation all, and then it's the homepage how it looks. So first of all, we have your design elements, text, brand, uploads, draw, projects, apps. So here we have top layout, style, niches of various things. So you can just click over here and you search about your product. Then you will be sent here and the image. You can modify your background color. You can select the color you want. Then position here, overlay pen, arrange. Then you can add comment here, like something you want. Then you can add page. We have two page here, notes here, presenter notes, duration, timer also, page. You can just zoom or not. Then we have your great view and present full screen, and the last one is ask me. So if you're done with that, all you have to do is click over here and you upload the image here in custom prompt, and also you upload product photo. So, in conclusion, FlairAI represents a significant advancement in the field of digital marketing by integrating AI into content creation and analysis processes. It enables businesses to enhance efficiency, gain deeper insights into their audience, and produce more relevant content. This innovative approach transforms how businesses communicate and interact with their customers, providing them with a competitive edge in a constantly evolving market. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.